Okay. Hi, we're here today to show the quick and easy installation of our unit. It's pretty self-explanatory, but extremely simple. In that, first we plug in the solar panels. We switch this on, and this happens to be an older model, so we have a weaker control system. The newer models won't have this lighting, but it's stronger. So once we have that, the unit is now getting power from the panels, charging the batteries, and on this side you have the output. So this, you can use equipment or any appliance directly here, or you can plug this into the home's electrical box. What you cannot do is have the grid in any way coming in through this side, because this is just the output. So for backup, we can use a grid or a generator, which is on this side, the left side, which is input. So we've set up here the grid connection that we plug in. And now we have the grid connected, and you'll see a light here, that this round ball, that's showing that it's active and the grid is present. So the grid will be used only if needed. So if there's no power coming from the panels, or if the battery has been completely drained, then the unit will automatically switch to this grid power, or in many cases a generator. The connection is automatic, so there's nothing you need to do. The unit controls the on-off function of the grid or the generator. That's how easy it is. Again, I stress, no power can be brought in on this output side, because that will, or it can severely damage the unit. Thank you.